Okay, now check this out. I'm above her. Melody. Melody babies. You see? Oh, he's still gonna hiss at me. He's still gonna hiss us. She's not as mad when you're above her. Hey, baby girls. Oops, sorry. That was me. She hissed at my toot. My sweet baby girls. You are so cute. You are just the chunkiest little sweetie, and I love you. You are so chubby. You fit right in with our family. Chunky monkey babies. Okay, loves? She's coming around. Okay, or not. Oh, such piercing green eyes. Squinty eyes. Okay, good night, baby girls. I love you.